Alright guys, welcome to another video, back with the Chillin' Cheese Balls. Today, we're going to be doing a bunker lava map run, okay? So, first we need to go gear up to, first off, go to the lava map. So, let's get our drippy cheese ball back, obviously. Now, let's get our glow stick, drippy glow stick. It's like crooked. Let's actually get a drippy flashlight instead, yeah. Now, the normal pickaxe is optional, but I would way recommend the golden pickaxe because it does a lot more mining damage. So
and monster damage too.
Yes, but the
on a regular pickaxe, for the red light green light you need 10 hits. For the golden pickaxe you need 8 hits.
But yeah. We're getting our grapplers, and we're gonna go to the mines, okay, guys? Come on, Jake. If you guys haven't seen our previous videos so far, they're pretty good, and we're brand new YouTubers. We're trying to be full-time YouTubers, and we're trying to be famous one day. Hey, Jake. Yo, Jake, where'd you go? Hey Jake, where'd you go? Huh. Well, Jake left the call, so. Well, guys, looks like we're going to the lava map on our own, because Jake disconnected. Okay, guys? So, let's go, guys. Come on. Huh. What's that sound? I actually forgot where to go. Now, oh, here it is. Let's go mining. Oh, research point. First try, dang. Entire day, too. Pretty decent. Dang it. If I had a piece of dynamite right here, I could have gotten so much stuff. I wonder why Jake had to go. But, anyways, this video might be long, it might be short. Because I've only gotten to the map, like the lava map, like, at least 1 or 2 times. Oh, look, it's Armstrong. I didn't know he was down here. Ooh, big research point. See if we get an RPG. Oh, dang it. Still works, though. We'll kill Armstrong with this, guys. Huh, where is he? There you are, stupid Armstrong. We got him, guys. Let's go. Ooh, research points, baby. Extra moolah. Got some of that good moolah, guys. Alright. So we're going to be making it out of the lava map. I mean, dang it. Out of the caves. Oh. Oh, I think I see the exit. You guys there? Alright. If you made it this far, be sure to drop a comment down below. Who is your favorite cheese ball member of this group? And make sure to like and subscribe because we're trying to grow our community one by one. Oh look, it's the Spider-Man. Hi, Spider-Man. Oh. What's that fan noise? Jeez. Ooh. Buy a research point with my company coins. Guys, what do you think? Should I save up for the clown nose? Should I save up for the clown nose, or should I just, buy a few research points? Because I have 280 company coins right now, and the clown nose is only 500. So I've always wanted a clown nose for a long time. So drop a comment down below if you think I should get the clown nose or get research points. Okay. Let's go all the way down. Dang, that stuff is loud. Luckily, we're basically at the end. Alright, guys. So this is like a wire room. I remember this. There's like this electrical outlet room where we have to go to, and like, you gotta find like this place. I've never done it before. Jake's always led me to it. Is that it? Is that it? Wow, that's cool. Finally found it on my own. Jeez. Huh. What is this place? Oh, guys, we made it. Let's go diving. Swimming. We made it, guys. Wow. Feel good. I don't think we need this anymore. So, come on guys, let's go mining. Oh god. Hit my dresser. Oh, I think I see some loot. No, that's actually kind of sick. I am Steve. Sorry for the brain rot, guys. I just watched the Minecraft movie, and I loved it. I'm gonna get my drippy cheese ball bag. Let's go over here, guys. Alright, so we got 4 out of 20 cinder blocks, so I don't know if they can get me while I'm up here, can they? Oh, they can. Wow. I didn't know. I like this though. Juking the heck out of these stupid monsters, bro. Get juked. Oh, you suck, stupid monsters. I love this. Oh god. Ah, guys, I fell. Frick. Is that what I think? Yay! Ow. The lava's killing me, guys. But I see some crystals up here. We're right next to the heart, but we're not even close to being ready to go back. Let's just pray that we do make it out, though. So that's 7 more crystals. So we got 10 blocks of cinder. No, I knew this would happen, bro. Dang it, it fell through the thingy again. Well, never getting that back. Let's just get our grappler right there. $11, $12. 12 blocks of cinder. Oh! Thought we lost this guy too. Alright, let's go, guys. So this should be 13. If I can even get this damn jump. Whatever. Can't risk dying in the lava. And oh dang, I forgot how many crystals we had. Yes, I know. I have a pea brain. Dang, I am heavy. Luckily, since there's no little like fish objects, goldfish, cheese ball, flying cheese balls, whatever, at least I can be careful and not die. I don't want to die to actual cheese balls. I love those things. Heck no, bro. Because that just sounds pathetic. Am I right, guys? There we go. Man, for the night. Because I popped out at 1 in the morning. It's literally a mother load, guys. It is like storming bad out here. I think we're almost done. Sorry for my laundry, guys. I'm really sorry for my laundry. Oh God. I'm really stretching my limbs, bro. Oh, well, looks like our bag is full, everybody. Now, know what that means? We have to make our way out of here, okay? So, step aside. Oh, God. We're about to make it out, everybody. Whoa. This is my first time ever doing this alone. I feel so accomplished. Wow. Felt great. Well. The only thing left to do is put this cheese ball bag in. The glorious cheese ball bag. Click all the buttons. Yes. Yay! Alright, guys. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Stay tuned for more content from the Chillin' Cheese Balls. I am out, guys.